Swimming. Human swimming is the self propulsion of a person through water or other liquid for survival, recreation, sports, exercise, or other reason. Locomotion is achieved through coordinated movements of limbs, the body, or both. Humans are able to hold their breath in underwater and undertaken rudimentary locomotive swimming within weeks of birth as an evolutionary response. Swimming is consistently found to be amongst the top recreational activities undertaken by the public, and in some countries, swimming lessons are a compulsory part of educational curriculum. As a formalized sport, swimming featured in a range of local, national, and international competition, including featuring in every modern Summer Olympic. Safety and sanitary rules for the swimming pools. Here we can see sanitary rules. General rules. And safety rules. Learn to swim program. In that water conference, the very first thing we have to teach the pupil before swimming is to build water conference. For that, chain walking, holding wall, dipping face, second one is bobbing. It helps pupil to learn proper breathe in and breathe out in the water and to view things in underwater. Pupils need to open their eyes, for that bobbing helps. For this practice, breathe and blow with eyes open. Collecting color stones. Third one is floating. To learn any stroke, first floating is very important. For this, pupils should lie on water freely so that they can float easily and comfortably, which helps to build confidence in themselves. There are different types of floatings like mushroom float or jelly float. Float on stomach float. Fourth one is push off and streamline. It helps pupil to cover more distance in less time and save energy and move in a straight line or a streamline. For this practice, push off from the wall, push off and glide, head down and streamline. Fifth one is kicking. Kicking may be defined as propelling the body through the water by means of leg movements. The toes should be pointed Don't bend knees too much or deep kick. Practice kicks like flutter kick, breaststroke kick, or scissor kick. Sixth one is kick and glide. It means while gliding, your hand should be stretched forward and should kick continuously so that later you can easily start any style of arm action. Seventh one, dog pedal. It is characterized by the swimmer lying on his chest and moving hands and legs alternately in a manner how dogs and other animals swim. Eighth one, overarm. It involves high elbow and recovery technique. High elbow means it helps in stretching the arm forward, thereby allowing us to gain momentum for recovery. Recovery. The elbow flexes during first half of recovery and then extends forward for entry during the second half. Breathing. It is impossible to bob more than 4 to 5 times without breathing. So, breathing is extremely important to do proper strokes. Require that the face be in water most of the time. For that, practice holding the wall, kicking, and breathe from your left side and right side. 10th one, full stroke. One full stroke complete when a man does 3 actions at a time, which are leg kicking, arm action, and breathing. The above said skills can be divided into 4 weeks, and 45 to 60 minutes class is divided according to the importance of the skill set, which is given in the table below. Strokes. Freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, butterfly stroke, next is starts. Pike start, track start, backstroke start, turns, freestyle common turn, freestyle flip turn, backstroke common turn, backstroke flip turn, breaststroke turn, butterfly turn. Individual medley turns, butterfly to backstroke, backstroke to breaststroke, breaststroke to freestyle. Underwater swimming.